Okay, I'm now ready to start the decreases for my beanie. I've knitted the required length from the bottom of my beanie up to where I start the decreases. And so for this beanie, we are we're knitting 3 stitches and then we're knitting 2 together. So that's going to decrease my amount of stitches by 11 stitches. So I will just show you how we do that. So I've knitted the first stitch there, and then we knit second stitch, third stitch, and then knitting 2 together is just simply putting our right needle through the front of those 2 stitches there and knitting them both together. And you can sort of tighten that up a bit if it feels like there's a bit of a loose loop there. So show you that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 2 together. Obviously that is what my pattern is for this beanie, but yours might be a different pattern. It might be knit 5, knit 2 together, knit 6, knit 2 together. So just follow whatever the pattern says. So I'm going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, and I'm going to do that all the way around to decrease by 11 stitches in that first round of decreases. And then every alternate row, so my next round is just a plain knit, so I'm going to just knit every stitch with no decreases, and then I will come back and show you the next set of decreases.